Hey guys, so it is now next weekend and we are basically gonna clean this dash and get it painted to gray instead of this ugly poop brown. But yes, I'm gonna first vacuum, get all the surface dirt out, and then go in with alcohol and then get that all cleaned up. And then lastly, I'm gonna use finish one and clean it up. So here we go now. We're gonna make it super clean. So here is how the dash looks. As you can see, nasty. Dylan took everything out for me to clean. And yeah, let's go, y'all.
Like the cool blue light, 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 like the cool.
So guys, now that everything is all clean, I'm going to go ahead and take some sticky tape and tape off everything that does not need to be painted. So let's go. So guys, hey, so I thought I would just do like a mini tutorial on how to kind of like cover up these places and get it prepped for painting. So I kind of try to use little tools like this to kind of get in these little tight areas to really secure it down. But of course, first you want to grab your tape and kind of measure it out roughly. It doesn't have to be exact, but so here we go. And then you want the cut to be kind of straight. That way everything's just clean cut. So that looks just about right. You want to make a super clean cut. Then you just simply just align it. You just simply align it like that. And of course you're just gonna have to readjust every now and then, but no biggie. There you go. Looking good. And then you can take like little tools like this if you can't get your finger in here and just secure it down. Same thing with all the edges. And then for something like this, I kind of like to take my nail and kind of map it out. And then what you can do is peel it back. And I don't know if you can see, but there's that little indentation and you just cut there. and it should be perfect, just like that. And then I also have more thinner tape, and because I'm a perfectionist, I see a little bit of exposure in here, so I'm just gonna take some tape and just simply map it out. That looks just about right. And then cut it, and you cover it. Here it is up close. Same with here and here. Here Dylan is taking off these little pieces here off of the part that was right above the dash. We're just getting it prepped for the first few coats of primer and our choice of color, which is gray, because you already know that's the vibe around here, y'all. So this piece right here goes with that part that is right above the dash. This is the foundation of that whole section there that need a new piece of wood. So here we are securing it. And then you'll see here, that's the front part that we taped off and are going to paint as well. And this is what it looks like right after, in a couple seconds. Here it is. Yay! So sorry about the lack of footage of the painting of the dash. Couldn't be in there while the fumes were out and about, but here we are peeling off the tape. It looks really good. We got a little bit of spillage and leakage over there, but it's all good in the hood. So y'all, this is the finished product. We put all those little pieces back on and it looks really good. We love it. We love the little touch of the that brown piece right there. We think it gives a cool look to it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye!